Also known as Graviola, Soursop, Annona muricata, is a large prickly, heart-shaped green-colored fruit growing in tropical regions. It is covered with ridges on the outside and has a soft juicy flesh inside. It resembles a custard apple and is dark green when raw. As it ripens, it becomes slightly soft and light green externally. Thus, this fruit is closely related to custard apple and cherimoyas in terms of appearance and flavor. Its white pulpy flesh contains small shiny black inedible seeds and has a sweet acidic taste. Seedless varieties of soursop are rarely available and generally have a fibrous flesh. Due to its creamy texture, it is often used in beverages, ice creams, and other sweet foods. The skin of the fruit is inedible, but the white fleshy part is quite nutritious. The seeds should never be eaten as they are toxic in nature. The tips of the prickles of ripe soursop fruit break off easily. Underripe fruits can be stored in the dark until they ripen fully. Soursop is a fruit that's popular for its delicious flavor and impressive health benefits. It's also very nutrient-dense and provides a good amount of fiber and vitamin C for very few calories. So in this video, I will be sharing with the health benefits of soursop and also the side effect. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification to get more interesting videos. Thank you. Soursop contains numerous phytonutrients that can fight disease-causing cells and even certain kinds of tumors. These phytonutrients contain antioxidant properties that enhance overall health. They help fight cancer, enhance eye health, and treat a range of infections. But why are we talking about all this? Is soursop that good a fruit? I bet you. Watch this video until the end and find out for yourself. Though there haven't been any direct studies on humans, soursop extracts were found to kill certain types of breast and liver cancer cells. According to one study, the soursop plant is a proven cancer remedy for most types of the disease. Though the tests haven't been conducted on humans yet, the possibilities are promising. In another Indian study conducted on various cell lines, soursop or graviola leaves showed 80% cell inhibition. The acetogenins in soursop inhibit the harmful compounds in cancer cells. Soursop extract had also inhibited the survival and metabolism of pancreatic cancer cells, and this indicates potential success in curing the lethal disease. What possibly makes acetogenins unique is their ability to selectively destroy the cancer cells without harming the healthy ones. We have seen soursop is replete with antioxidants. These antioxidants, especially vitamin C and E, zinc, and beta-carotene, have been found to decrease the risk of eye disease. The antioxidants also reduce oxidative stress, which can otherwise cause cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Ulcers are painful sores that develop in the stomach lining, esophagus, or small intestine. According to a 2014 study on rodents, soursop alveola showed anti-ulcer abilities. It helped protect the stomach's mucous lining. It also helped prevent free radical damage to the digestive tract. In a Brazilian study, inflammation caused by snakebite was found to improve with the administration of soursop leaf and juice. However, the components of soursop might also slightly aggravate the ill effects of snake venom, hence, we need more research in this aspect. Research in South America and tropical Africa had emphasized on the anti-inflammatory properties of the roots, barks, and leaves of the soursop tree. The ability to treat inflammation is good in soursop, and it can be used for relieving arthritis. In addition to the anti-inflammatory effect, soursop is also known for its analgesic effects. Soursop can treat infections caused by bacteria and parasites, one of those being leishmaniasis, a disease caused by parasites that are transmitted through the bites of sand fleas. The leaves of the soursop tree are also used to treat a wide range of infections. According to a Nigerian study, soursop possesses anti-diabetic properties. The two groups of rats tested in the study had a significant difference in their blood glucose concentrations, with the group treated by soursop having lower concentrations than the other. The soursop leaf aqueous extract was found to inhibit and even prevent the hepatic oxidative damage caused in diabetes patients. As per one Malaysian study, soursop extract was found to be safe in rats that were being treated for kidney and liver ailments. Similar observations could be observed in humans as well. According to another Indian study, the acetogenins in soursop can kill the malignant cells of 12 types of cancer, with liver cancer being one of them. As per a report by the University of Connecticut, soursop can be used extensively for the treatment of stress and other issues like depression. Soursop is also found to have anti-ulcer properties. The fruit suppresses oxidative damage and preserves the mucus of the gastric wall. The significant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of the fruit can help improve gastrointestinal health. In one Brazilian study, the anthelmintic, the ability to kill parasites, properties of soursop leaf extract were studied. They studied the effects of a parasitic worm that caused gastrointestinal issues in sheep. The objective of the study was to inspect the effects of soursop towards the eggs and adult forms of the parasite. The study concluded that soursop is a natural anthelmintic, and since it could kill the parasites in sheep that caused them gastrointestinal issues, it might have similar effects in humans. More research is going on, though. The Korean study states that the intake of soursop can enhance immunity. This can be attributed to the bioactive compounds in the fruit. Oral intake of soursop leaf extracts was found to reduce edema in rat paws, which is usually caused due to a weak immune system. The study concludes by stating that soursop leaf extract has the potential to stimulate immunity, and hence can be used in the treatment of immunocompromised patients. Soursop can also be made a part of the diet to improve the overall lifestyle quality. The juice of the soursop fruit was found to provide more micronutrients than its pulp. But the pulp has more amount of vitamin A than the juice. Soursop is also rich in ascorbic acid, vitamin C, that strengthens and boosts the immune system. Beta-carotene, the precursor of vitamin A, also contributes to an enhanced immune system. According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, soursop can work as an analgesic. The mice used in the study were made to writhe, post which the soursop extract was induced in them. The experiment produced desirable results. The soursop fruit has been traditionally used to treat fever. In Africa, a decoction of soursop leaves is used to control feverish symptoms and convulsive seizures. In fact, the larvae of the Aedes aegypti mosquito, which transmit dengue fever, showed great vulnerability toward soursop extract. As per an Indian study, the soursop fruit and its juice can not only treat fever, but also act as an astringent for diarrhea and dysentery. The fruit can help treat fever in children as well. Soursop is widely used for this purpose in Africa. Soursop has been used in folklore for treating hypertension. This can be attributed to the antioxidant potential of phenols in the fruit, according to a Nigerian study. As per an Indonesian study report, soursop contains good nutrients that can help lower blood pressure levels in human adults. According to studies, the internal administration of soursop leaf decoction was found to exhibit anti-rheumatic properties. And the leaves, when cooked and topically applied, help to ease rheumatism and abscesses. In Africa, the unripe fruit of soursop is used to treat rheumatism and arthritic pain. Even the mashed leaves of the soursop tree are used as a poultice to treat rheumatism. Soursop also contains anthocyanins, tannins, and alkaloids that exhibit anti-rheumatic effects. As per a report published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine, the extract of soursop leaves can help prevent skin papilloma, a disease that causes tumor eruptions on the skin. In fact, soursop is so good for the skin that the leaves of the plant are used for calming the skin of babies. Certain sources also suggest soursop paste can work wonders for hair by treating dandruff and itching and strengthening hair as well. But we need more research on this. So, now you know what the benefits of soursop are. And now, we proceed to something as important as the side effects. The seeds and bark of the soursop tree are considered toxic. They contain potentially poisonous compounds like ananine, hydrocyanic acid, and muracine. These can cause eye inflammation. Pregnant women are advised against consuming this fruit. This is because the high energy in the cells of the developing fetus can trigger the fruit's toxic activity, potentially harming the baby and the mother, with the baby at a greater risk. Using soursop while pregnant or breastfeeding is unsafe. So, if you're pregnant, stay away from it. As per a study, consuming soursop had resulted in drastic weight loss in the mice that were involved in the experiment. Similar effects can be observed in humans. Hence, consult your doctor if you are planning to take soursop for any issue specifically related to your body weight. As per one French study, consuming soursop can result in the development of Parkinson's disease. All this only if you consume soursop in excess. Otherwise, it works great. And you can use it in some awesome recipes too. Although soursop has been shown to be effective against some conditions in animal studies, there are few human studies on soursop. Users have offered anecdotal evidence, but more scientific study on humans is needed before researchers can say that soursop is effective in treating any condition. If someone is interested in adding soursop to their routine, they should talk to their doctor. They can advise them on their individual risks and potential benefits, as well as answer any questions they may have.